Everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janie. I do videos on all things Squishmallows, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, Sanrio. Basically, anything that I think is cute is going to go up on this channel, so don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe because it really helps me out. Last week, we talked about Lady and the Tramp plushies. Today, we're talking about Pusheen Box. So this is the Pusheen Box for summer. It looks to be ice cream themed. I have not looked at any of the spoilers that were given. This is a subscription box service that features Pusheen merch. I've been doing it since its creation back in, I want to say 2016, and I think it's really cute. It's a lot of fun. Sometimes they're hit or miss though, so that's exactly what we're going to take a look at today to see what's going on. I'm going to give you the first look because why not? Not much to look at because there's actually an apparel piece on top. It's a beach towel poncho. This is cute. Perfect for summer, even though I'm opening this kind of late, but also I received it kind of late. I got this maybe a week ago, mid to late August, but this is really cute. It's definitely oversized. So it's Pusheen popsicle and it says chill. It's sleeveless and it has that like terry cloth towel material, and it does have a hood. So it feels like a towel. It's perfect, I'm assuming, to just slip on. I have not gone to the beach in so many years. The last time it was when I did a beach cleanup when I was still in high school, and I'm class of 2011, so that's saying something. It says here, chill out by the pool or at the beach in this towel poncho. So it's the biggest item in the box. Very pretty. Next thing we have is a sand coaster. I had to look that up because I had no idea what this was. Bury your feet in the sand, not your drink. This sand coaster keeps your drink sand free. Okay, that makes sense. I like that. It's practical and it's kind of cute. So we have Pusheen ice cream sundae, a popsicle, an ice cream cone, a cup ice cream, and I'm probably not going to be able to use this. I mean, definitely not at this point since summer's about to end, but I typically don't go to the beach or anything. But I do like this concept. I'm not mad about it. It's very hard to make a box that's going to fit every single person's needs. So this is cute. I'm going to hold on to this till next year and see if I can make my way to the beach. I actually am going to the beach, but the first week of September, and it's not for the water. It's for the aquarium that's nearby. This is a mesh beach tote. So it's rolled up. I'm going to unroll it just to see what we're dealing with. Oh, I like this. This is nice. This is practical. I wish the straps were a little bit thicker because if you're putting a lot of heavy items, these straps are just so thin in my opinion. But the actual image itself, it's cute. It says Ice Cream Fan Club, and it features a chocolate Pusheen cone with some vanilla ice cream cones on the side. It's purple. It's pretty. Definitely practical, but like I said, I just wish these straps were a little bit thicker. It just doesn't make sense for them to be that thin, especially if you're carrying like flip-flops, maybe a hand towel. What do we carry in beach totes? A change of clothing? I don't even know. Next thing we have is a Pusheen visor. And it's, look at that Pusheen, it's so cute. She's like sleeping. Very cute. And it's a nice purple, matches the bag, Velcro straps. I don't think I've ever worn a visor before, come to think of it, but you know, sun protection is important. I like it. It's not bad. So the beach tote bag, it said the perfect tote to carry your beach day goodies, and then the visor to keep you from melting in the summer sun. I'm always melting. So far so good. I'm liking what we have. I'm gonna keep this on for a little bit longer until it starts to annoy me. All right, I'm definitely, as tempted as I am, I'm not gonna inflate this, but this is a tube pool float. I wonder how big it is. Let's find out. Okay, so it's the circular one. Cool off on the water with this pool float. Pusheen, like all the little ice cream and popsicle versions that we just saw. Super cute. Not practical for me, so I'm not gonna blow this up. Like I said, I haven't been to a pool or a beach in years, but it's nice that they added this. I think this would have been perfect for me if I was partaking in these activities. I'm just not a summer person. I don't know if you've seen my previous videos. Not a summer fan. I think it's nasty. I'm ready for it to end. This unfortunately isn't gonna translate well with my lifestyle, but I'm sure there's plenty of people who received this box that absolutely love it. I mean, honestly, it's really cute and actually functional, so definitely gonna hold on to this in the hopes that maybe next year I will force myself to do all these summertime activities. Down to the last two items. This is a thermal phone case. So it's like a pouch and it has some clips at the top. Thermal pouch. It says here, keep your phone tucked away in this cute pouch while you catch some rays at the beach. This is what the inside looks like. Definitely see what they're doing there. Let's see if my phone fits. Just should, because it's not a Pro Max, unfortunately. Yes. Okay, I like it. I mean, sure, why not? It keeps it away from the water and the sand. I mean, obviously it's not waterproof or anything like that, but this is nice. Why not? I'm always losing my phone somewhere in my bag, so if you can just clip it on inside your bag. Functional, practical, I like it. All right, the very last item is probably gonna be my favorite. So every single Pusheen box, if you didn't already know, comes with an exclusive vinyl figure. It looks like a Funko Pop type of thing. Sometimes they're really elaborate and large, sometimes they're really small and cute. In this case, it's pretty cute. This is Ice Cream Pusheen vinyl figure. She looks chunky, she's a vanilla cone. I really like her. I like the sprinkles. I like the waffle cone. Honestly, when I'm eating ice cream, especially soft serve, you know, it's hard for me to give up because, you know, I've been cutting out all the dairy for my life, but the ice cream truck by my job gets me every time, even if it's expensive. And a plain vanilla cone, like the cone part is sometimes my favorite part. Like sometimes I like it even more than the actual ice cream itself. I've been holding on to all of these vinyls in the hopes that once I move to a bigger place, I'll be able to display them all. I have damaged some throughout the years. They are delicate. They're not very hardy because sometimes there's different parts to them. Not this one, but there's one that's like a beach with a palm tree from a couple years ago. Like there's some that are a little bit more delicate, so I would be careful if you're giving this box to a child because those vinyl figures tend to break. They're very delicate. All right, but that is it for this box. I'm kind of surprised. This was not what I was expecting. Sometimes when Pusheen comes out with these seasonal boxes, they don't always correlate with the holiday or the season. Sometimes it's just like fun stuff. In this case, it did kind of correlate with summer because of the beach. So I thought it was like an ice cream box with just cute summer treats, but really it's ice cream at the beach. If you've missed any of my other Pusheen videos, I have a playlist that I'll link in the cards as well as down below because I've been doing this literally for years. I've only ever missed one. There's drilling going on next door, of course, right when I'm about to finish this video. They're building a new house. They like demolished it and now they're building another one. I can't predict the times when they're working on it because it's almost every single day other than weekends, and I work weekends. But anyway, on that note, we're just gonna end this video. I'm trying to talk over that noise. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said earlier, join the family, join the fun. If you have any requests for videos you'd like to see, let me know down below. I'm sorry, I know I'm talking fast, but I don't want to, you know, irritate you with that noise. So next time, I hope you're enjoying the rest of your summer. Bye.